How to hide likes on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide likes on the X or the Twitter application, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to hide likes on the Twitter or the X application, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch a Twitter application that you can find here. And once you launch a Twitter app, let's say you tweet something and then you don't want other people to see the number of likes, you cannot actually just hide likes, but what you can do is you can protect your tweets or your post so that other people will not be able to see what you have tweeted, which means to just protect your tweets and make it private. To do this, tap the profile icon located at the top left, then scroll down to settings and support and go to settings and privacy. And after you come to settings and privacy, you can simply scroll and go to privacy and safety, audience and tagging, and turn on protect your post option, which means that only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post, and new people will not be able to see your post. As a result, they will not be able to see the likes. This is the only way to do it so far. So hope this video helped you as to how you can hide likes on Twitter. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.